in today's video we are gonna be comparing Bengaluru's most expensive supermarket, the kind of place where you find Feastables, Prime and even Japanese Monster, but each item here feels like it personally wants to ruin my wallet. It's going against the cheapest supermarket in the city, D-Mart, where somehow everything is priced below the actual MRP. I don't know how they do it, but my wallet loves it. So here's the plan. I'm going to buy similar type of items from both the stores. One that'll only cost me a few hundred rupees and one that might just financially cripple me. And by the end, we'll see if the price difference is actually worth it or if expensive doesn't actually mean better. We are starting off with the expensive store, and the moment I walked in, I could feel my wallet getting lighter. The shelves were filled with imported snacks, rare drinks, and things I've only seen on YouTube thumbnails.
You do realize you're not a kid. It's for children, guys.
As soon as we walked in, they handed us these premium flavored breads and fancy cheeses. But meanwhile, my friend John couldn't care less. He wanted to quality test the fruits available there.
Big ones, small ones, medium ones. Don't.
Why are you molesting the apple?
No, I'm just testing.
Quality check.
What
Why
better,
is he molesting every fruit?
what better way to start your day with freshly squeezed orange juices?
Nice.
Now we are testing sunscreens with someone who's not into skincare.
I am gonna be soon.
How is the smell?
Very nice. Alright.
Nice one.
After checking out the skincare products, we stumbled into the imported cool drinks aisle, where things got interesting. We found Prime.
Barca, bro. Iska Barca. Something. I'm Indian. So I can't pronounce.
So your accent is bad, is it?
Yeah.
I've never seen a monster bottle before.
Yeah, it's crazy actually. See, Arsenal got a prime bottle before they could win a trophy. So congratulations.
This is Kittle's drink.
Why is there a Chupa Chups drink?
Oh, we have to get these.
Crazy, bro. Chupa Chups.
We have to get these. This is mad.
I know.
Decide first. Which
does Barcelona drink taste? Messi?
it tastes like.
I know Arsenal's taste will be bad just like their team.
After that, we ran into Feastables, some super strange Oreo flavors, and chips that were way expensive with weird flavors. I even noticed Labubu dolls for the first time. And then we stumbled upon this.
What is the difference between achar and a pickle?
This is a pickle, like actual pickle.
Oh, I can what?
Vinegar, yeah.
Yeah, not that where you not dry it in your terrace, put salt, chili.
I don't know how a pickle is
I
made.
have seen YouTube videos. That
Why
is
do you
second
watch
model.
pickle making videos?
Yeah, I wanted to learn. This one's good. I especially love the package of this thing.
Why does it
Quite sus, not gonna
It's
lie.
really good.
Quite sus. Don't hold it that way. Don't hold it that way. Don't hold it that way.
Hold it strong.
Oh my, he made it more weird.
Shrimp chips.
Oh, this one I have tried. Okay, this is picnic.
It's non-veg.
It has shrimp in it. No shit, it's non-veg. Oh, it smells bad here, bro.
As we continued to film, the store manager suddenly walked up to us and asked us to stop recording in the store.
Also sorry.
So we wrapped things up, rushed to the billing counter and paid a bill that definitely hurt my wallet and moved on. We just finished shopping at the most expensive supermarket, I think, in Bangalore. So we are going to the cheapest one. All over India, I think.
How much was the damage?
The damage is... After taking quite a bit of damage to my wallet, we found ourselves at D-Mart, the cheapest supermarket in the entire country.
As you can see, we recorded the intro at Vishal Mega Mart, but we are at D-Mart now.
Because the security there is crazy.
Long story short, our original plan was to film at Vishal Mart, another discounted supermarket like D-Mart, but the security there didn't let us enter with our cameras, so we ended up here at D-Mart instead.
He was a BCom graduate, so he told us not to record anything inside. He denied us entry. We were like, F you, D-Mart. I think this is the better place, obviously.
The prices are better.
Yeah, but the crowd is insane. As you can see, it is little packed inside. I don't know how we can record stuff. We'll try our best, okay?
As soon as we walked in, we instantly felt at home. The prices were finally back to normal. Actually, cheaper than normal. Everything here was unbelievably discounted, and honestly I have no idea how they managed to sell the products this cheap. But we definitely weren't complaining.
What is this place?
Everything is so cheap.
We'll take both chips.
You know what we'll take? Chips.
Bikaji chips.
Chips. That's the best part how to advertise, bro.
Chips.
What do you sell? Chips.
We'll take both chips. We might get possessed. I think Lay's
What
max.
the ready-made bale. Indians have lost it, bro.
Bingo, this is all.
Why do you hold the packet so zestily? MRP is 50, it's 23. Bro, 30 bucks discount, bro.
ORS. Lime
Energy,
flavor.
technically energy.
To refuel your
Two you
energy.
get, two you get.
Nimbu pan.
Nimbu.
Orange is English word.
Why did you just...
Now we are taking
They're eating it for free for some reason. If it's poison.
Life hack. Take some jaggery.
Peanuts.
peanuts. That's not peanuts.
This will taste better, so you then mix it up.
It's so crowded. We can't even record properly. It's so crowded.
Is it called peanuts because you pee when they're nuts?
Yeah. Then
Not with the nuts, sir. How do you pee then?
Choco rolls. The only roll I can get in my life.
What do you mean by that?
After messing around for a bit, we finally built our products and got out of there as fast as we could, as it was insanely crowded inside. And the grand total, shockingly cheap.
so we have two sets of bags here. One is the most expensive supermarket and one is the cheapest one. Starting off simple, Oreos.
We have the cream biscuits.
Cream biscuits.
Chocolate flavor.
The
How much is the
chocolate
MRP, brother?
The MRP is, I think it is 48. We got it for 30 or 25 something.
25
25 something.
Because they like us.
Yeah, it's DMart. I think it's expired anyway.
Hey. Okay. First, no. Hey. You twist.
Link.
Lick. No, lick.
There's not nothing to that.
Then you lick. Dunk in your mouth. What are the reviews good?
You're good, huh? Your head is
Oh, yeah.
not feeling dizzy.
Wow.
It's not poisonous, no?
Huh? You're good, no? I'll eat if you're
Oh, you didn't eat it yet.
It's Oreo. It's a typical Oreo.
Basic Oreo.
good.
Chocolate flavor.
Chocolate flavor. It's okay.
We have.
So,
The one.
The exclusive.
exclusive red velvet Oreo.
Yeah. So it is made by the
It's
one.
made wherever Oreo is.
The
had
only.
tried.
Oh, it's here. It's here. It's here. It's made in Kasang Dosang.
Yes, Amar. Go near the camera and you know. Yes, Amar. Full sound.
Okay.
Okay, it's not tearing.
Come
guys.
back. Come back.
It's not
Fine.
tearing.
Ah.
Oh.
Nice. Yes.
Nice, yes.
Oh.
Oh.
It's red velvet color.
Oh, it's red. Oh, what did you expect? Oh,
my God.
it is red.
It is the red velvet.
The cream is white.
White cream. See, white.
Okay.
Cream tastes like normal Oreo.
Normal cream. Yeah.
Biscuit.
Hmm. It's. What?
I can feel the flavor.
Oh,
I can.
light, very light
Yeah,
flavor.
I can.
Red velvet.
I can feel the flavor compared to the other Oreo.
Other coconut flavor.
No, I feel
No,
red
with the
velvet.
red velvet. Slight coconut milkish. It's good.
It's not bad, but
I can feel the flavor.
I think I prefer the other one.
No, I don't. There's not much of red velvet flavor. You get the slight taste
Mosquitoes
though.
are biting. You're in a random park with it.
Not exactly.
Subscribe and like so we get a studio. I'll give it a
Who wins
solid
it? Who wins it?
6.5 out of 10.
Yeah. 6 or 7.
7. Okay, who wins it? India or
India, bro. Chocolate was goated. bro.
Goated. So India gets the lead. 1
One.
point. 1 point. 1-0.
Yeah.
Yeah. Aftertaste is bad.
Now I'll take my review back. It's a solid 5.
It is too sweet for us.
Yeah. We don't want to get diabetes.
We have the goats.
We have
The
Bikaji.
legend. The
Bikaji.
man, the myth, the legend.
Bikaji.
Bikaji chips.
You don't know Bikaji?
We don't know Bikaji.
But now we know.
Now we know. Now you know.
It's my first time eating this, by the way. The MRP is 50 rupees.
We
but
got it for
30.
Not 40.
23.
Not 30.
23 rupees.
23 rupees, man. This big of a chip.
23.
It covers half my waist.
Okay. That is your waist.
Yeah.
I mean,
Stomach something.
something.
It is
They don't care.
The plastic is of good quality because I can't carry it.
You're weak. You're literally weak.
Bite it.
Yeah.
You're
Go ahead,
literally
bite,
Go
bite.
ahead, go ahead.
You're literally weak.
Your turn.
I'll bite it.
Vikaji, bro.
Because he's got it, bro. I can't. I did.
Cheers.
Cheers, bro. I got that with the extra topping.
It's better than this.
Better than Lays, yeah.
It's actually good.
Yes, Mario.
I'm not doing this shit, bro.
Good,
Good.
good chip.
Type shit.
Basic flavor, cream and
Sour.
sour
Cream
cream
and
and
onion.
onion.
Copy of sour cream, basically.
Yeah. Okay. Here
We have
Lays.
one and only.
I think
Max.
Lays is an American company.
I think so.
Yeah,
Where is
American.
this
But
from?
this is from Thailand, I think.
Hey. New, whoa.
Thailand.
Speak bad words.
Okay.
Vietnam.
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 Annyeonghaseyo.
I don't think that is Vietnamese.
Hi guys.
Okay. So this is Lays Max. The flavor is
Tao
Bien Na Bao.
50%. Busan. It has the potato, the vegetable oil, the jalapeno style, everything. It has the sugar, the soy sauce,
Okay.
with the iodine sauce.
Okay, it's a Japanese style seaweed flavor.
So basically, this chip has the seaweed. The thing where they use sushi
Okay.
is we'll have it on the chip.
Okay,
Hey!
okay. So enough of speaking Vietnamese. Let us open the chip.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
It smells bad.
Smells bad.
Okay.
Karwad.
Who's going first?
Together.
Cheers.
3, 2, 1. Oh! It is good.
It's good
It's
actually.
great. It's goated.
Oh, the smell is bad.
It's goated, bro. Oh, shit is bad.
It's like I'm having a fish.
Yeah.
Oh, now the after is bad.
After this is bad.
Oh, it's bad.
The aftertaste is not bad. It's the fish smell.
Oh, it tastes like, if imagine you eat.
Oh, I don't even eat
Yeah.
fish, no.
So imagine you eat the fish. What do you call food? Fish food.
Yeah, fish food.
You eat it.
Yeah. And there's still that foul smell on your mouth.
Literally, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, for
it
context, I don't eat seafood and I feel like puking.
Now
It's
never drink.
exact.
I'm not eating the.
Okay.
It's
It's
nice.
exactly.
See,
I mean, it's not the same
It's
flavor.
like fish only.
It's
once
like
the
fish.
kick is nice.
If you like seafood, you would like it.
Bro, I like seafood. I don't like it.
Because it's that smell aftermath.
It is like dry fish actually. Correct.
Yeah, karwad.
Tastes like fish.
Dry fish.
Karwad.
Dry fish.
Dry
No,
fish.
not fish.
And the smell is also like karwad.
Okay, I think.
How do they know what karwad is?
Okay, karwad is basically
Subtitles.
Dry fish.
dry
Dry
fish,
fish.
dried up fish.
So they take the fish, they put it in the sun for 3 days, and it's dried fish.
So
Cute.
I don't like it.
Nobody likes it, bro.
So India takes the winner.
Again,
Yeah, 2-0.
I think it's time for the drink, bro.
Why?
We have
What are you doing?
We have ORS.
we have Pro Life Nimbu Pani flavor.
ORS.
So
ORS.
you will think why we have two.
When you see the
We
counterpart, you will
got
know.
two for the price of one.
Correct. It is buy one get one free at DMart, and I think it's priced around what, 30 rupees for
No.
two. Something
Somewhere
like that.
around 25 or something.
25 something for two. It is a crazy deal, and I don't know why we took an ORS because they didn't have any hydration drinks there.
They had.
What? Sting is not a hydration drink.
Thing is basically sugar.
Yeah. So this was the only hydration drink that we could find.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Good.
Oh, it's electrolytes. Oh, I get it now. Salty. It's electrolyte drink. Come on.
Hey, it's
I
not
want
bad. It is
It's
electrolyte.
like lemonade with like a little bit extra salt
It is the if you mix glucon D in water, it is
and add lemon.
Salt, lemon, water. Simple as that.
electrolyte. It is
Basically a lemonade without sugar and salt.
yeah,
That's all.
that's all. It is not bad. You
is
could
not
drink
bad.
it. It's good. It's good.
Mr. Low Gang himself.
Low gang.
Mr. Knowledge, Strength, Integrity.
Prime.
Right.
I have never tasted Prime. It's been what, 2 years since the
I
release?
have tasted all except this flavor something. And
You have tasted Prime before. How was it?
Moon Knight I've tasted and 3 others. It is somewhat trash, like straight up garbage.
For
but
Indian taste, yeah.
for the Indian taste, but
Yeah.
some are goated.
Okay.
But I don't know the energy part. It's still a hydration thing. It's not an energy part.
Okay. Okay, I'll go first.
Yeah. What was that girl? Okay. Okay.
It is a lemonade, not lime. You know, lemonade. You know those lemon syrups?
No, follow that. When you go to a local cafe and they give you that flavored lemonade.
Yeah, not the lime.
exact-
No, the exact shit.
That bigger one lemonade.
The big lime.
feel
That
lemon.
big.
The small ones are called lime.
Ah.
This is lemonade.
I can feel that energy. in
Oh
my
my
body.
god.
I don't know.
I feel dizzy.
I don't know. I feel high.
There's a set of people watching us, so we have a live audience.
Yes. What's up, gang? What's up, gang? Type shit.
I mean, I think it's better than the
Yeah.
ORS.
ORS, better than ORS.
This is $600. It's 20.
No, taste wise, come on.
Come on.
I'll give it for that.
I'll give it for
Prime.
So this is too strong for me.
Okay.
But I would prefer drinking
Yeah.
before hydration than that.
Then the ORS. So
Yeah.
2-1.
2-1, yeah. For some reason,
Yeah.
We-
we have a pickle.
Pickle.
Yeah, pickle.
Rick and Morty pickle.
It is dill flavor. Whoa.
Dilf. What?
Dill.
You know what?
It's from USA and it is 500.
Hold on.
500.
For-
I don't know.
For this
We don't even earn from YouTube. I don't know why we are spending so much.
Okay.
500.
It has,
For
it has a liquid inside.
yeah.
Yeah.
Stop!
Stop.
What are you
that.
doing?
Water feels good.
What?
Try.
No, I don't
Try
want.
squeezing. It feels like a slime. Huh?
What was it?
It feels.
Okay.
It
Stop
feels good.
molesting the pickle. Oh, this is too strong. Oh, it's a pickle.
It's a pickle. That's what a pickle would smell like.
Remove it.
Oh, let's go. gang.
Oh my god. Take a bite. Okay. I'll take one for the team.
Push it inside.
I'll take one for the team.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'll turn back and take
No.
Cheers for Basha.
Stop it, guys. Stop laughing. The pickle in there. Okay.
Basha is gonna slurp it.
What's the
Slurp it, lick it.
Lick.
Take a bite.
Are you sure you don't want to on it?
Well, it tastes good.
This is good.
Just kick to it.
It's a dill pickle.
What is this?
Pickle.
Cucumber.
No, this is a dill, no?
You know, after you finish school, you come outside, there's uncle selling pickles. That Omni.
Ah.
Same taste.
Oh, it's juicy. We can.
What was that bite, bro? What was that bite? No, after the it's fine.
It's good, but
Exactly. First it
it's a big bite.
Okay, now I don't know how he ate it.
Null is actually good.
Wait, let him bite. What are that uni has which has bite?
Oh, I didn't feel it strong.
No, he took a big bite, niggas.
It is okay.
Right.
I'll
You
do that.
have a very weird concept. I'll take a sip for the team.
Yeah,
For the team.
Basha always goes first.
No, I drank
Bro,
it
that smell
and I
is
felt
killing.
it going inside my stomach.
Yeah, because it is acid. So we have a cheapest pickle that we could find in D-Mart.
Crazy.
It was a mango tokku pickle.
Okay, for context, why we are getting weird.
Tok basically in Malayalam means armpits. So I don't know why it's named after armpits.
Oh,
Maybe the auntie who made it
With the pickle water.
We are just doing this for the video's sake. Otherwise, we are here.
Hey!
Wait, sir. Don't show. Don't want to get kicked off of a park.
Not the first time.
Yeah.
What is this Indian companies, bro?
Indian companies and their plastic packaging. I broke through.
I found a spoon.
No way.
Wait,
normal pickle.
You go ahead. Normal pickle. Huh?
Good. It's good. For a pickle, it's good.
Do I dip my?
We are very eco-friendly like
Take
that.
that.
Oh, it's hard.
But there's still ORS left in this.
We'll drink it directly.
Oh, it's pungent, bro. It's very pungent.
Traditional pickle. Indian pickle. Do they have these kind of pickles in the foreign?
Yeah, I have been there. Yesterday I came back.
Yeah, he was in the US.
We both are in the ES. If you give me a plate of rice
Yeah,
to eat with, I would suggest this.
pickle, obviously.
But as a snack,
I would suggest that.
Right.
so
But
it's
who
a tie.
takes the win?
It's a tie.
It's a tie.
tie.
Because you can't compare this kind of pickle to that kind
Yeah.
of pickle.
Yeah, like we compared the prime to the ORS.
Hey, we could. Both
Good,
had
but
lemon
this is-
flavor.
But this is mango and
Yeah,
I don't know what is that.
Yeah. Okay, obviously everyone knows what these are. These we got for 15 rupees, two of them. It was a combo.
Okay.
I think everyone knows what a dairy milk tastes like.
It's a Cadbury Dairy Milk classic
They are doing it
chocolate.
for, yeah.
It's a milk bar basically.
Just for the video's sake.
Dairy milk. It's
Dairy milk.
It's a
It's a classic.
classic.
You get back home,
Yeah.
your father sees
Yeah.
you, he's like, what do you want? I want chocolate.
For the foreign audience, I think dairy milk is available in the
They have
foreign.
Cadbury milk.
But in case you don't know, it's Hershey's milk bar.
No, they have Cadbury milk chocolate.
Okay.
We call it Dairy Milk.
Dairy milk.
Bye man, Shimi. We love you.
We got this for 300 bucks.
300.
300.
300 bucks.
For a bar of chocolate. Giving. What is this? What is this?
Yeah, we don't even make money out of
That
it.
was, for comparison, that was 15 rupees for two. This is
This
one
is 20
300.
times more.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Okay, it has nuts.
Oh, crazy.
Cheers.
Let's go. Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, it's crunchy.
Oh, milk crunch we got.
Oh,
Oh, sweet.
tastes like a galaxy.
Yeah, Galaxy.
Same.
More Galaxy still hit you. Strong flavor.
But it tastes like a galaxy.
It looks like that Dairy Milk crackle flavor. Those
Crunchable.
nuts. Yeah, that crunchy is there.
But it tastes like a galaxy.
Galaxy.
basically.
Chocolate tastes like the Galaxy.
nice.
It's
Nice.
actually good.
So we technically sponsored a video of this.
Where are we getting a share?
I think better than the dairy milk.
Yeah, better.
Yeah, obviously.
But price wise,
Price wise, dairy milk wins.
I would about 30 of these. More than that.
Obviously, the imported goods take the win.
Vegetable or Dairy Milk.
Feastables.
Price wise, if you see, if you're looking at the price and the product, obviously the Indian goods wins. But if you're not looking at the price, taste
You
wise
want-
only,
See,
You want to have a good
Okay.
experience.
Put this in dollars. How much is it? Around $2.5.
Five.
$5.
If a person living in America, he works hard, whatever salary he gets, it's for him. It's similar to him buying a Dairy Milk here.
Oh,
Getting
yeah.
what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. So
That's right.
ignore the
7.
price.
so when you ignore the price, the
6, 7.
I'll kick him out of the channel.
6, 7.
2 basically. We had
No
5
one.
products.
because you
So who do you think won in the comments?
Pikachu
Two.
won.
Oh, it is
Two,
a
two.
tie.
Yeah, it's a
Part
tie.
2.
I am not coming back.
We
Yeah,
left in
we
the
are
morning.
doing this from morning.
Yeah, it's almost night.
Now who's going to take the pickle home?
I have no clue. Just finish it.
I am not
You
eating
are
that.
finishing that pickle. Sausage one.
No, this one. That you can take home.
That's someone take. I don't
I don't want to.
John will take.
John will take home. John's mother, where did you go?
Pickle.
Dubai pickle.
Seaweed chips, okay. As you can see, we cleaned everything.
Yeah, we were selling weed in the park.
Hey,
Seaweed chips.
Hey, good one, good one.
Bye. That is it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more. See you all.
आप लोग जिम जाओ guys.
आप भी जाओ guys. Body बनाओ.
Body डोले बनाओ guys.
डोले दिखाओ guys.
ये बंदा देखो guys.
I'm not adding subtitles for any of it. Figure it out yourself.
Guys, We are health conscious guys.
Yeah, guys. Every evening I'm in the park,
Very,
guys.
very healthy.
With kids.
Why is your pickle screaming?
I don't know. Pickles.